can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
Hi YouTubers, welcome to Tech World Vlogs and Tesla. So closer to the end of the year, it's typically referred to drone season, meaning a lot of manufacturers out there, DJI, Autel, all the big manufacturers, they tend to release drones for the Christmas season, and now is the time to make those announcements. 4 to 6 weeks, I'm sure DJI will be releasing one if not two new drones for the Christmas season. That being said, I want to review one of my best drones that I've had for the last 6 months. This drone might be going on sale for Christmas, and it's a drone that I recommend if you're looking for a Christmas gift for someone. One of the biggest features of this drone is the 1-inch sensor. 1-inch sensor gives you that deep colors, cinematic video, it's a remarkable photo. As you'll see later on in this video, I have some different flights I've done in different cities to show you guys what this drone is able to capture. The reason why I recommend this drone is not just the 1-inch sensor, but the obstacle avoidance. This drone has 2 upward obstacle avoidance and then 2 front obstacle avoidance. In addition, it has 2 back obstacle avoidance, and also you can't see it much in this video, but it has a 2 bottom obstacle avoidance. All these obstacle avoidance makes this drone one of the safest drones from DJI. The obstacle avoidance prevents the drone from crashing into objects, meaning that if you're flying and there's a tree around, the obstacle avoidance prevent the drone from going forward and crashing into that tree. Similar to if you're flying and there's people around, the obstacle avoidance detects what's around it so that way it doesn't crash into people. So that makes this drone one of the safest drones. In addition to the obstacle avoidance, this drone has many safety features. That includes a geomapping which prevents you from flying in airspace that is considered dangerous, such as airport or in busy sections of the city that has high population. Since DJI released this drone has gotten better. DJI has included many more features to enhance this drone. One of the biggest features that DJI recently released was the ability to create master shots, and not only master shots in 1080 resolution, they actually allow us the ability to get master shots in 4K resolution, which is fantastic. No other drone does that. This is one of the first drone that does that. Now, what is master shot? Master shot allows you to create short 25 seconds clips that you can post on social media. Now, these clips have all the maneuvers that a drone can do, such as the boomerang maneuver, the side-to-side maneuver, or the rocket maneuver. All these maneuvers are condensed into 25 seconds. They also allow you to add royalty-free music as well as templates to make it transition into a beautiful cinematic 25 seconds clip. It's also done autonomously, so you as a drone flyer, you as a drone pilot does not have to have prior existing knowledge on how to fly a drone. Just simply click master shot and that allows you to capture cinematic video. Now, another thing about this drone that is really nice that DJI was able to give us is the pricing. This drone is currently priced at $799 USD, which comes just under 1,000 Canadian dollars. This is a really fantastic price for a professional drone that shoots 4K video. Last feature that I want to talk about this drone is the weight and size. Right now, the drone does not have the battery, but I'll tell you right now, the weight is 595 grams, which makes it super light. In addition to the weight, the size is actually very small. As you guys can see, in reference to a cell phone, it is almost the same width. You can simply slip this in your baggage and you'll be able to carry this drone. So it makes it very small to travel. With DJI planning to release the Maverick 3 in the coming weeks, it will definitely give this drone a run for its money. So let's take a look at some of the awesome footage from this drone. You guys will be happy with this investment. Hope you guys like, subscribe, and share this video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment below, and we'll see you on the next video.